Hi friends, welcome to UN ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब चैनल. लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to earn money from social media in 2020. So influencer marketing basically. So what is influencer market basically? We will understand after completion of this video lecture. So you need to understand basically things to do and things to follow. Let us check first. So COVID-19 की वजह से आप लोगों को थोड़ा सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कीजिए. आप लोग अच्छा रहिएगा. कीप ए डिस्टेंस. बाहर जाएंगे तो मास्क पहन के जाइएगा. तबीयत को अच्छी तरह से. You need to be careful about COVID-19 because you have to keep the distance and social distance. You have to maintain social distance, and once again while going outside you have to wear the mask. Be careful. Keep your health proper. Then so in this situation actually we are utilizing web actually, and digital. Everything world is going digital. So there are so extra folks want to methods to earn cash online to extend their monetary inflows. Okay, so we are interested in getting the money, extra money or money from online platforms or online methods. So in this basically we are interested in social media actually. How to become influencer or social media influencer. Okay. So in this, what we are interested is, do you have the habit of time spending on social media? Nowadays everybody is spending time on social media. Social media means Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, so many things like that. Okay, so you are spending time on social media. So if you are spending the time on social media, you can become an influencer basically. But rather than spending means just watching the videos or watching the posts, not like that. If you are wasting at least daily 2.5 hours, you may be spending that 2.5 hours. If you spend properly, then you can earn the money. So YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, so many etc. Okay. So if you are spending the time on social media, then you can possibly earn the income from this source actually. It's possible. Don't think that it is not possible. If you are used to social media, then you can earn the money from social media. Income source. This will become income source. Suppose YouTube is there, you can put videos on that. Facebook is there, you can put videos or posts like that. Anyhow, I will explain all the things in later on videos. Now in this, is it possible or not? Let us check it. It's possible. Social media earning. Investment is not required. Large following is not required. Makeup is not required. Big camera is not required. Or great cameras are not required. Or not required. All these things. Experience is not required. So you can earn from social media without these things. Investment, without large following, without makeup, without camera, without experience also. Provided what you need to. Social media influencer, if you want to become social media influencer, you need to connect to social media. That's all. If you know how to connect to social media, that is enough. Okay. 100 followers, no problem. 10 million followers. 100 to 10 million followers. Even if you are having 100 followers also, you can influence the people, because you are having 100 followers means you are influencing that 100 fellows. So naturally you can do so many things. How to earn the money from social media from 100 followers? Actually, company wants to sell products, you know that. So previously what they will be doing, actually advertising, that advertising TVs, cine stars or famous personality they will take and they will be giving the TV ads. Nowadays they are not going for that because it is costly affair. So what they are doing, that large amount they are going to spend on social media influencer. Suppose on social media influencer they can give some money to them and they want to sell the product to the whoever on posting on his social media, whether it is YouTube, or you have to explain about that. So then they will be giving the money to you. So this is one way. Okay. So nowadays company wants to sell products from social media influencer rather than going for a TV programs, because only one ad will be there. Here they will be giving different methods, time, budget, everything will be in their hands actually. Suppose social media influencer, thousands of influencers will be there. So they can spend less amount and they can, so just think about it. So you can get the money from the companies actually for promoting their products. This is the thing you remember. So influencer marketer बनने के लिए what you need actually how much amount they are spending on this influencer marketing. In 2019, $8 billion they spent on influencer marketing. In 2020, it is approximately 15 to 20 billion dollars. That means it is double the amount of 2019. And so how much opportunity is there? How much investment is there? How can you grab it? So you can think about it. Okay. So 4 types of influencers are there. Mega influencer, 1 million followers, greater than 1 million followers. So he will be getting around 7 to 14 lakh Indian rupees. So big companies only they may be approaching, and they may be having diversified followers, and it's difficult also and expensive also. So they are also not going to them. And macro influencer is 1 to 10 lakh followers. So for them also they are charging around 1 to 7 lakh Indian rupees. So they may be some only specialized cases they are going. And micro influencer and nano influencer are important. So for micro influencer they are giving approximately 17,000 Indian rupees, and for nano influencer 7,000 Indian rupees. Even 800, 900 followers are there, then they will be giving around 7,000 to 8,000. Suppose 4 or 5 companies if you are able to grab, then around 35,000 monthly income it will become. Suppose if you are a micro influencer, 17,000 or 20,000 approximately, 5 companies means you can earn 1 lakh also. If you are growing 1 to 2 lakhs also you can charge. Okay. So anyhow, remember that if you are a social media user, then if you are having the followers, the companies will be going to provide you the product posts on your posts actually. So that you can do easily, and how to contact them, those things will be easier only. Just you can search, or else I will be giving the matter in the future classes also, future videos. If you require that also, just comment it on it, then I will be explaining that also in the future videos, depending upon the comments I will be getting from you. So influencer marketing, who cannot choose? Who cannot choose? That is more important. Suppose if you want fame only, don't come into this field. If you want only money, monetary benefit, don't come into this. When you can come then? Who can choose this field? Passion, if you are passionate about giving some value to some friends or some people. If you want to help the others, basically passionate about something, and if you want to give that to somebody else, then you can choose this field. And some work will be there, you have to do more work. Don't think, if you are not interested in working hard working, then don't choose this, because it is not your cup of tea. Monthly income, if you are regular income, if you are expecting, go for a job then. Okay, here ups and downs will be there, challenges will be there, and learning will be there. You are learning and you are giving that teaching, then you are gaining the knowledge also. In videos, if you are giving the lectures, then you will be gaining the knowledge. So if you are passionate about something, and if you are interested to give or help the people, then this job is suitable for you. Okay, now also if you are interested, I am thinking that you are interested in that, that's why you are here up till now. So we will go ahead now. So what are the things, steps to follow, things to do? To become successful influencer, you need to do something. So what are the things, steps to follow? The first step is you have to choose the category. Which category you want to? See, suppose in TikTok some people are dancing and they are showing their interest to dance and they are getting the money also. Why can't you do that? If you are having an art performer, if you are a teacher, you can teach something in videos or some posts also. You can write notes also, you can post it also. So that is the way you can choose your own category, whichever is interesting to you. Sports, about the sports you can discuss. So here nothing is there. You are interested, you are passionate about some field. In that field, if you dig into it, you will enjoy the work and you will gain the money also. That is more important in life. You need to enjoy whatever you are doing. So, and you should earn also from that only. So that is the reason this is the best field for you. You can select this. Then after category, platform, you decide which platform you want to. Suppose if you want to provide videos you can provide even in TikTok, even in anyhow TikTok is banned in India, but in any other countries they can use that platform also. YouTube you can use, Facebook also videos you can post. So some other methods are there. Facebook also I will explain in the future classes. So in that you will be knowing. So platform whichever you are using. Suppose Twitter means content you have to provide. So like that, whichever one, only select one platform, either YouTube or either Facebook or either Instagram. You select only one. Okay. Then one platform, one category. Good job. You dig into it and then work hard. Give value to the people then. Whatever you are providing, that should be valuable to the people then engage the people, whoever may be the following you, engage them and try to create the bonding with them, try to in regular contact. And even the products, if they are giving, somebody is giving, if that use that product, then only suggest it, otherwise don't suggest it. Because if you don't give the value for the sake of money, or if you don't give the value for the values, then you will lose the contacts also. And even if you are growing, then also care them, maintain the reputation yourself and engage them continuously. Even you will be having companies also, you will be having very good reputation because very small. Anyhow, we have to start. You have to start from small only, then nano to micro, micro to macro, macro to mega. So anybody, even whoever may be the macro fellow, that fellow started, when he started, he is only nano. So don't think that, sorry, don't think that it's difficult. It's not difficult. It's in your hand only. Starting, everybody is a small fellow. Don't compare with anybody. Who start working about your area and try to give your best, then you will succeed definitely. I wish you all the best for getting the success or for becoming an influencer, social media influencer, and start earning the money. I will be explaining each and every platform also how to do all the things, and initially I will be giving some other. So please comment what are the things you require. Then on that I will be making the videos to you for the sake of you. Okay. Thank you very much for listening to me or for in contact with me. Then यू एन ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. थैंक यू वेरी मच वंस अगेन. प्लीज़ लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, and comment also. You can provide the comment. In that comment I will be giving, or I will be making the future videos based on your requirement, because I am very much interested about you. So about you only I am going to create the videos. So please comment whichever, whatever, if more number of comments are there for a particular thing, that I will be making the videos. So thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Future influencer ban jao. You become a future social media influencer and earn money at least 1 or 2 lakhs per month. That is my wish. All the best. Thank you. Bye once again. COVID, during the time of COVID, be careful. Keep your health properly. Maintain the social distance, and while going outside, wear the mask and take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye.